Welcome back, YouTube. You're watching Sidetrack Productions. My name is CJ, aka the Cigar Man, and today I'm downtown Bristol, Virginia, just doing a little recording on this set here. You know, we're known for NASCAR and racing, and also the birth of country music. But today, this video I got going for you guys is going to be the first series of what I call the build, and it's the build of my 1962 Chevy pickup truck. So the first episode is going to be my brother-in-law and myself went to Albany, Georgia to pick up this rust bucket of a truck. I know. I actually got it off of Craigslist, and it was a really good deal. You know, the truck was only $1,400, and it ran, brakes and everything worked properly, but it was in pretty rough condition. So we went down there and picked it up, and one day made the trip back and stuff. It was a good trip. And the videos and stuff of the car, actually, I took them like 7 years ago. I brought this vehicle in 2013. I always wanted a classic car or a classic truck. I had a classic car, you know, many years ago and stuff, and I always had a passion for nice, you know, classic vehicles and stuff. So anyway, make a long story short, we went down to Albany, Georgia to pick this truck up. We brought it back home in a matter of days. I think actually the next day, I actually started tearing this truck down and basically putting it back together again. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's get into episode 1 of the build. Alright, this is what I just brought back from Georgia, Alberton, Georgia. I got this off of Craigslist. Today's date is November 2nd, 2013. I actually brought it 2013, November 1st, which was yesterday. Me and my brother-in-law Roger brought it back. This is going to be my little project vehicle. Can't wait to start on it. I am actually going to start on it today. Try to make sure the brakes and stuff is at least safe to drive. And it is drivable. Got a 350 engine in it. See if I can get a picture of this underneath the hood here. It's kind of tough. Doesn't have much rust at all, as you can see. It's looking good. Inside looks very good. I'm excited about that. Very excited. Even if we can see the frame there, it's good. I got a lot of work to do, especially this is my first vehicle to ever try to think of doing any kind of restoration. This guy who I got the truck from, I can't believe he didn't even clean it out or anything. But that's alright. I take everything out of it. Well, it actually looks like radio up in there, falling back up in there. But she starts right up, man, no problem at all. And she sounds good. I got some work to do in these door jambs here. Rust repair. This right here is just surface rust, but I have to replace that there. I should be alright here. We're gonna sandblast it. Make sure in the door jambs, make sure everything is good. Everything's looking real good and solid though. I may have to replace the kickboard there. With the auto, it looks pretty good. This here, now I have to replace all that there. Not much. No. Mo's trying to get up there. Mo, watch out. I'll be taking everything off the bed, taking the rotten woods out of there and stuff. I may try to take this bed off today. Give me something to do. Alright, I'll be getting back with y'all later. Bye.
Alright, here's Doug and Chris doing a demo job on the front of Chris's truck. Oh my God, they tore the front end off of it. It's history. Now we have something to work with. Easy access, no interferences. Get her done.
Yeah, you got it done. It don't seem like that thing is getting enough power.
Oh yeah.
Is it coming out? Yeah. Pulled out the rest of the floor.